Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make oat muffins with banana step by step. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees C and line a muffin tin. Mash bananas in a bowl, then whisk in egg, milk, and honey until smooth. Stir in oats, baking powder, and cinnamon and fold gently. Scoop batter into cups, top with nuts or chocolate, and bake until golden and set. In this video, I will show how to make oat muffins with banana step by step. Start by mashing bananas until mostly smooth, then add egg and honey and whisk. Pour in milk, stir, and add dry ingredients in 2 batches to prevent clumping. Fold in any nuts or chips carefully to retain air. Spoon batter evenly into muffin cups and tap the tray once to settle batter before baking. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more cooking guides. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, smart mapping, and it can quietly chase crumbs while you bake, which feels like having an extra sous chef. It picks up oats and banana bits with ease and saves time for more muffins. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make oat muffins with banana step by step. Place muffin tin in the middle rack and bake until tops are golden and a toothpick comes out clean. Remove from oven and cool briefly in the tin so muffins set, then transfer to a rack to finish cooling. Reheat gently or freeze individually for easy breakfasts and snacks that stay moist and flavorful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.